What's up guys, today we're going to be doing the top 3 best budget Huawei phones, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off is the Honorton Light. So this comes in at about $187. This has a beautiful design. You have the dual cameras on the back. You also have the fingerprint scanner on this guy, and it comes in some really nice and pretty colors. So this does have 3 gigabytes of RAM, which I was really hoping it would be 4 gigs, but 3 gigabytes of RAM is plenty enough RAM for this phone. You do have 32 gigabytes of storage. You do have a full HD display, so full 1080p display, which is really nice. And on top of that, you get Android 9.0. You do get the Kirin 710 processor, and this does come packed with a 3400 milliamp battery, which is really awesome. This phone has some pretty great dual cameras as well. You have a 13 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel camera, and you also have a 24 megapixel front facing camera, so this will be excellent for selfies. And this does take up to 1080p video, and this unlock model is GSM only. Now next is the P30 Lite. So this is a really excellent smartphone. This does have 128 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 6.15 inch display. This does have triple cameras on the back, which we'll get more into. So this phone is about $338. So getting into that display, it is a full HD display. You do get Android 9.0, and you do get the Kirin 710 processor. Now those triple cameras on the back are really awesome. Now you are getting a 24 megapixel, you're getting an 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. You're also getting a 32 megapixel front facing camera. So this does feature the fingerprint scanner, which is really awesome as well. And this does have fast battery charging with 18 watts. So this is a really excellent phone, beautifully designed. You got the teardrop notch. Overall, just an awesome phone. Now next is the Honor 7X. So this is a really excellent phone as well. It's a little older but still good, coming at about $200. So this does have a 5.93 inch display, a full HD display as well. You do get Android 7.0 upgradable to 8.0. This does have 64 gigabytes of storage with the SD card. You do get 4 gigabytes of RAM in the Kirin 659 processor, along with a pretty nice battery at 3340 milliamps. So it does have a 16 megapixel camera on the back and a 2 megapixel as well. This phone does feature a fingerprint scanner, which is very responsive and fast. And overall, this is just an excellent phone. It even still has the headphone jack as well. So that's pretty much it. These are my favorite picks. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.